7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're looking at Zilliqa. What's our bear market strategy for Zilliqa? How low can Zilliqa go in the bear market? Should we be holding it through the bear market? Should we sell our stash into the pump, or should we even buy more in the bear market, hoping to get future gains in the bull run? In this video we're taking a look at Zilliqa versus US dollar price chart. We're looking at Zilliqa against Bitcoin, then we'll look at Zilliqa's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll finally take a look at the Zilliqa market cap chart. I'll also be giving you my bear market targets for Zilliqa, where I intend to accumulate a lot of Zilliqa in the bear market. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Zilliqa is trading for $0.044. In the last 1 month, it has gone as high as $0.05 and as low as $0.02. Zilliqa currently has a market capitalization of over $573 million. We only have 62% of the total supply in circulation and is currently ranked number 71 on coin market cap. This is a Zilliqa US dollar price chart from 2018 till 2022. We have 4 years worth of price history for Zilliqa. We can see how Zilliqa behaved in the previous bear market. Zilliqa was launched in 2018 January. This was just when the bull run was ending, and Zilliqa went on a dump. Then it had a relief rally here, and this for Zilliqa, this was a new all-time high, but because it didn't experience the whole bull run, it didn't go on the bull run with the rest of the crypto market, so this was a new all-time high for Zilliqa. And Zilliqa actually got to as high as 0.23, and that was a high for it for a very long time, because Zilliqa started dumping and it dumped more than 98% to its all-time low, where Zilliqa was trading for 0.0025. Now this was the COVID sell-off. This was where a lot of altcoins bottomed, Zilliqa included. When the bull run came, Bitcoin ran from 3,000 to 69,000, and Zilliqa ran from 0.002 to as high as 0.24, and that was almost 100x return on your investment. But now the market has been dumping, Zilliqa included. Zilliqa has been dumping since when the market has started dumping, and Zilliqa has dumped more than 86% during February. Zilliqa dumped from the top here in May 2021 to February, where Zilliqa dumped more than 87%. Then we had a rally in March, and Zilliqa was among the coins in the market that actually enjoyed that rally. Zilliqa pumped and it went to its previous all-time high. A lot of people got bullish here, and then we are wrecked again. And Zilliqa pumps when the market pumps, but guess what, guys? It dumps when the market dumps. The last pump Zilliqa had was a 525% pump. So what we're seeing with Zilliqa is that it can pump quickly to the upside, it can come quickly to the downside. And we just know that when the market is pumping, we want to be putting our eyes on Zilliqa to see what the crypto is doing. Now we're in a critical point on Zilliqa's price chart history. You can see that we got to a low here on the 12th of June. This was when Bitcoin got to as low as 17,000, and Zilliqa came to touch this level, and price has interacted with Zilliqa on this level on various occasions. The first time was during the dump here. Price actually bounced here, and when Zilliqa couldn't hold that level, we dumped, and we were held below that level for years. From 2018 till 2020, we couldn't pass that 0.02 level, and when Zilliqa came to pass it the first attempt, it was rejected. The second attempt was rejected. The third attempt, it finally broke through it, consolidated, and went to new highs. And when Zilliqa started dumping, and when Bitcoin got to 17k, guess what? Zilliqa got there again and bounced off that place. So how low will Zilliqa go in the bear market? All coins during the bear market usually dump 80-90% from their all-time highs, and Zilliqa right now is just down 88%. How low can it go? If we see Zilliqa dropping 94% from its all-time high, we'll see Zilliqa trading for $0.01. Is that possible? Hell yeah, guys, very, very possible. And that will be a very, very good price to start accumulating some more Zilliqa. You can see that price has interacted with that region on few occasions. When we are still dumping in the bear market of 2018, price interacted with that region here. Price interacted with that region here before we went on to finally set a new all-time highs. And from that region, when price interacted with there, we had a pump of more than 1,900%. So that's a very, very important region. I'll expect Zilliqa to at least have a bounce here, at least respect this price region, at least have a bounce probably to this side, before we go down further. And if Zilliqa doesn't hold that line, the next level where I want to accumulate some Zilliqa, the worst case scenario from the all-time high for Zilliqa, if Zilliqa gets to that price point, Zilliqa will be down over 98%. That would be my worst case scenario for Zilliqa in the bear market. That's where I really feel my bags. If Zilliqa gets to the 0.004 region, I think this will be an opportunity of a lifetime to get some Zilliqa, because the next bull run, Zilliqa will probably still be there and it's probably going to go to the moon. Now, we have to see how Zilliqa is performing against Bitcoin and Ethereum, so that we'll not just jump into conclusions and start getting an altcoin that will be losing value against Bitcoin and Ethereum during the bear market. But before we do that, let's look at how Zilliqa has performed in the last 1 year. It's down 45%. In the last 1 month, Zilliqa is down 9%. In the last 1 week, the signs of hope, Zilliqa is up 2.9%, but you can see that a lot of these altcoins are up 23, 30%, some are even up to 50%. So will Zilliqa actually pump? Only time we tell. But guys, remember, if we're in the bear market, all these pumps are actually short-lived. You don't want to FOMO into these coins at hard prices. And this is Zilliqa Bitcoin price chart. You can see that the top came in here in May 2013. This was when Zilliqa was just launched. A lot of people didn't know the value of Zilliqa, so they were flipping their Bitcoin for it. Bitcoin was on a downward trend, and Zilliqa pumped more than 500% against Bitcoin. And since then, it has not been able to set a new all-time high against Bitcoin, constantly losing value against Bitcoin. At the bottom for Zilliqa, this was around March 2020, Zilliqa lost more than 97% of its value against Bitcoin. During the bull run, it gained some of that and lost its back, but still way far from the all-time high. The first high it set here was the 800% pump against Bitcoin that topped in May 2021, and then we had another dump, and then we had another pump in March 2022 when a lot of us thought all season was coming. Zilliqa pumped over 1000% from the bottom. Return on investment, if you invested 1 Bitcoin here, you would have been able to cash out 10 Bitcoin here. And that was a very interesting region for Zilliqa. You can see that price has reacted with this region few times on the Zilliqa Bitcoin price chart. Price reacted with that region here, 1, 2, and 3 again, and we couldn't pass that place. And when we got rejected by that same region in March 2022, we got rejected by that region again. So worst case scenario for Zilliqa, I might see Zilliqa setting a new all-time low on this Bitcoin pairing. But if we get a maybe relief rally, we can see Zilliqa pumping against Bitcoin. That doesn't mean the US dollar price valuation of Zilliqa might be pumping. It just means Bitcoin might be dumping harder than Zilliqa, which I doubt will happen. During the bear market, Bitcoin is one of the strongest crypto in the crypto space. Even during the bull run, Bitcoin has to go on its run before other cryptos will have the opportunity to go on their run. So I'll be looking forward to what Zilliqa will do in the future, but I'll expect Zilliqa to set a new all-time low on its Bitcoin pairing. And we go to Zilliqa against Ethereum, and the high came in May 2018. That was the final pump Zilliqa had against Ethereum before it started actually dumping, and from then it has dumped and lost more than 95% of its value. Yes, in April 2022, we had a little pump right here, but you can see that the trend is still downwards for Zilliqa against Bitcoin. Look at all the tops. It's just setting lower highs. Look at this was a high here, this was a high here, and this was another high here, this is another high here, and this probably another high here. So you can see that it's constantly setting lower tops. Yes, after this bear market, we might see a mad pump to the upside for Zilliqa against Bitcoin and Zilliqa against Ethereum. That's very possible. But guys, during the bear market, most of these altcoins trend downwards against Bitcoin, against Ethereum. You can see that all the time the market has been bearish. What's Zilliqa doing against Ethereum? It's actually losing value. So do you think this time will be different? Only time will tell. If this time will be different, I don't think this time will be different. The bear market is where you want to be accumulating a lot of these altcoins, because that's where you get good return on investment. Just look at it, guys. If Zilliqa gets to this price point, that's 0.04 on the dollar pairing, and that's where we accumulate some Zilliqa, and Zilliqa goes back to its all-time high, would have been up over 50x on our investment. Now, will Zilliqa go that low? I can't guarantee Zilliqa going that low. Nobody can guarantee Zilliqa going that low. We're just going off the fact that all coins used to lose around 90+% during the bear market, and we're assuming if they'll repeat it again, and we might see Zilliqa getting to those price regions. Another important thing you have to know, guys, is that we only have 62% of the total supply in circulation. As more Zilliqa is coming in circulation, you might not see an increase in price, but you might actually see an increase in market cap, and that's why we need to take a look at the Zilliqa market cap chart. It looks like the price chart. It looks like the price chart on the market cap chart, we actually set a new all-time high. If you look at the Zilliqa US dollar price chart, we couldn't set a new all-time high. We got capped at that 0.25 region, but on the market cap chart for Zilliqa, we set a new all-time high in May 2021, and we came to test that all-time high again in April 2022. We couldn't break through it. I can see Zilliqa dumping during the bear market, probably dump another 50% from where we are right now, and because we'll expect more coins to be coming to circulation. At the same time, the price will be going down. The bear market is where you want to study all these altcoins, accumulate them, do your research into the project. Look at what Zilliqa did in the previous bear market. His market valuation went down 98%. Will this time be different? Only time will tell. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, what's your Zilliqa bear market strategy? Where will you be holding your Zilliqa? Where will you be buying more Zilliqa? Or where will you even be selling your Zilliqa into the pump? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.